guys, this is Ajay from Science Tech Symphony, and today in today's episode we're going to be talking about Steve Jobs, who recently passed away. Steve died at his residence in California at around 3 p.m. on October the 5th, 2011, and as we all know that he died due to complications from pancreatic cancer, and it resulted in a respiratory attack. He was a bright He was a bright and passionate human being who was the source of all the innovations that changed all of our lives. So here's a video to Steve as a tribute.